Anyone who has experienced pain and discomfort knows of the disruption it may cause to normal daily activities. For those who may suffer from headaches, migraines or anxiety, it may be comforting to know that we are fortunate to be able to use nature for deep, effective healing. Some of nature's greatest gifts are remedies for pain, disease and illness. So, let's learn how to simply make lavender lemonade to get rid of headaches and anxiety naturally. Lavender has helped many people with their chronic and painful headaches. It is an effective analgesic agent and mood stabilizer. This herb is considered a great treat for tension, headaches and stress. You will need juice from 6 lemons, 1 drop of lavender, 12 cups of water, 1 cup of raw honey. Mix all of the ingredients in a large saucepan and cool the mixture. Add more water or honey as desired. Cover the saucepan and let stand an hour. You may also enjoy this powerful herb by adding 5 to 6 drops of lavender oil to your bath. Or, to relieve stress, diffuse about 10 to 12 drops of oil in the air at home or in the workplace. According to Healthline, breathing in the scent from lavender oil can help acute management of migraine attacks. 2013 study found that people reported a significant reduction in pain after only 15 minutes of inhaling the lavender oil. Also, a recent meta-analysis, published in the European Archives of Psychiatry and Clinical Neuroscience, suggests that lavender oil, when taken orally, can help individuals suffering from certain types of anxiety. The same benefits enjoyed from lavender oil can be experienced with lavender tea. Simply steep about 4 teaspoons of fresh dried lavender into boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey as desired. As it steeps, take in the aroma and sip into the great comfort of nature's healing. Just remember, everyone has a doctor in him or her, we just have to help it in its work. The natural healing force within each one of us is the greatest force in getting well. Our food should be our medicine. Our medicine should be our food. Hippocrates,